Today, I'll show you how to delete Calendly from Jotform. Whether you're looking to streamline your forms or just want to remove an integration you no longer need, this simple process will guide you through each step to ensure you can do it effortlessly. So without further ado, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to jotform.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. This will take you to your dashboard where you can see all the forms you've created or are managing. It's important to make sure you're logged into the correct account to access the right forms. Next, find the form that contains the Calendly widget you want to remove. Once you've located the correct form, click on it to select it. This will bring up a few options, and from here, you'll want to click on Edit Form. This action will open up the Form Builder interface, where you can make changes to your form's layout and content. Now that you're in the Form Builder, scroll down through the list of elements in your form until you find the Calendly widget. The widgets are usually easy to spot as they have clear labels and icons that represent their functionality. Take your time to locate it, ensuring you don't accidentally select the wrong widget, especially if your form contains multiple integrations or elements. Once you've found the Calendly widget, go ahead and click on it. This will highlight the widget and reveal additional options specific to the Calendly integration. It's always a good idea to double check that you've selected the right widget to avoid removing something else by mistake. Finally, with the Calendly widget selected, look for the option that says Remove and click on it. This will prompt the system to delete the widget from your form. If you happen to have any second thoughts, this is the point where you can cancel the action. But if you're sure, proceed to remove it. Once removed, your form will no longer have the Calendly integration, and you can continue editing or save your changes as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted the Calendly widget from your Jot form. Remember, removing integrations like Calendly can help declutter your forms, making them easier to manage and more user-friendly for those who fill them out. If you ever need to add it back or integrate other services, Jotform makes it easy to do so with just a few clicks. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Jotform's help resources or leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and happy form editing.